Gentlemen, and statistically very few ladies, of course. Today we have a awesome treat and one of the cars that actually goes beyond 4 digits with relative ease, and I wanted to share with you how well this combo worked. My friend Sean at Fleetwood Auto and the co-owner built this car together. Well, we should car or truck. It is a 60 something C10 long bed, ugly as hell. I think he bought it for like $400. It is definitely not $400 now. Let's try to summarize engine first. So it is a stock iron 6-liter block that has a 408 assembly into it, and it has a Holley intake with a shear fab sandwich. And then it has trick flow 230s, or, more or less, right around there, trick flow guys, and their cathedral port. The other thing is it has Joey Fowler log manifolds on it, and then it has VS Racing 6973s. And then the rest of the fab work done is by Tom Weeks at Nonfiction Fab. It has a 4L80E built by Cameron with a D3 brake. I believe it has a 9-inch in it, a little bit of suspension out back. It's running on a Terminator, and it has one of my 6-in-1 plug-and-plays, and that's why it works so fantastic. Honestly, that's why it made so much horsepower. Oh no, it has a Dominator in it. Excuse me. It is a Dominator with 2 NTK sensors. So, yes, I'm sorry. It has all that. The next, what is it? It has 2 10s in it. It has an outrageous fuel system. As Sean has said to me personally, he never wants to hear you're running out of fuel ever again. He has brought me a bunch of cars, and a few have ran out of fuel. So this time he did a fuel cell surge tank and Nuke Performance one that's all integrated. It's very interesting. It's nice. And then he did a Deutschworks, or Deechworks is how they pronounce it. He did 2 brushless 810 LPH pumps. And for this mission, we tried them both on low speed, and it had no problem keeping up. They have a high speed function for both, and we didn't use it on either. So that's interesting to see what those are capable of. Man, what else? It was on gasoline, we made, on 13 pounds, it made 700. And then I was like, this is fine for pump gas. He didn't really care to stretch it on pump gas either. So on the same amount of boost, we blended in some ethanol, and we got to like 50%, and anything over that, I'm okay with maxing out the combo essentially. So on the same 13 pounds, but with some tuning, a little bit leaner air fuel, and all the ignition it wanted, it picked up 200 horsepower. So it went from 700 wheel to 900 wheel on the same 13 pounds of boost. So the turbos were working at about 27 horsepower per pound on pump gas. And then as soon as we went ethanol, it went 33 horsepower per pound. And it kept that from 13 psi all the way to 29 pounds. It was what made 1311 or so. So the combo didn't want to quit. Sean did, and I was more than happy with it. He says it has the rods that aren't as good, and it was making him nervous. And it's also a stock block, and stock 4-bolt heads, whatnot. So he's like, I don't need to push this thing needlessly for no reason. But I thought you guys would enjoy it. I will try to throw in some pictures and video of it, but it's certainly not going to be as long as this talk was of me going over it. But I know people like to see the dyno hits and then watch a little bit of the audio. And I really don't have that many pictures or video for this, so what am I going to put over this? Anyway, have a good day. Questions? Thanks, bye.